Hello everyone, my name is Dinesh Sharma and this is my channel English Excellence with DS, and today I'm going to read all these present simple tense sentences within 10 minutes. So let me start. Water boils at 100 degrees centigrade. Birds sing in the morning. Cats dislike water. I love chocolate ice cream. He reads the newspaper. They play football every weekend. It snows in winter. People speak English in the USA. She writes poetry in her free time. We watch movies on Friday nights. Dogs bark at strangers. The earth revolves around the sun. Flowers bloom in spring. You need food and water to survive. The clock ticks every second. Students study hard for exam. The bakery opens at 8 a.m. Nurses take care of patients. Children love to play. The moon shines at night. Farmers grow crops. I prefer tea over coffee. Cars use fuel to run. We live in globalized world. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. The moon shines in the night. The moon keeps changing in shape in the cycle of 15 days. The stars twinkle in the night. 2 and 2 make 4. I teach in a school. She practices medicine in her clinic. She practices law at at the court. He sells vegetables. She works in a boutique. Every Friday we watch a movie. I pray to God twice a day. Every Sunday we play cricket. She takes the medicine twice a day. My car runs 25 kilometers in a liter. My watch costs more than your car. This new dress costs 2500 rupees. I go to work every day. He works in finance. She plays football. The sun rises in the east. The sun sets in the west. I always study hard for exam. Do you usually speak to him like that? We produce lasers for cosmetic surgery. Ben goes to football practice every Tuesday. He dances. He does not dance. Does he dance? Does he not dance? She cooks delicious meals. Lions roar in the jungle. People celebrate festivals with joy. He exercises every day. Rain falls from the sky. The teacher explains the lesson. The teacher explains the lesson. Trees provide oxygen. I listen to music when I work. They travel during summer vacations. She collects vintage stamps. The bus stops at every station. Babies cry when they are hungry. Fish swim in the water. The wind blows from the west. He drinks coffee every morning. We visit our grandparents monthly. Deserts receive minimal rainfall. They respect their elders. The sun sets in the west. She speaks fluent Spanish. Bells ring to signify time. Parents care for their children. The library closes at 7 p.m. Snakes slither on the ground. People need sleep to function. I purchase groceries weekly. Candles melt when lit. They attend the meeting regularly. The heart beats continuously. Owls hunt at night. Sheep appreciates art. Eagles fly at night at high altitudes. Machines operate on power. Um, you look happy today. I smells in the heat. He completes his task promptly. Bakers bake fresh bread. The universe expands constantly. So students submit high assignments on time. I dream vividly. Fruits ripen over time. The door opens with a key. Fire burns wood. He practices violin daily. Stars twinkle in the night sky. Children learn quickly. She smiles often. Every elephants have long trunks. People breathe in oxygen. I adore nature. Shoes protect our feet. He values friendship. They climb mountains for adventure. Waves crash on the shore. Leaves fall in autumn. She dances gracefully. Whales live in the ocean. Birds migrate seasonally. The company produces electronics. I remember good times. Chocolates melt in the heat. He trusts his instincts. Planets orbit stars. She believes in magic. Clocks measure time. We hope for better days. He jogs every evening. Rivers flow towards the seas. She adores her pet. Volcanoes erupt magma. You shine in your field. Desks hold our belongings. Bees make honey. He respects diversity. Trees shed leaves in fall. You create your destiny. He leaves to play basketball. He goes to school. Does he go to school? She writes an email to her best friend. He thinks he is very handsome. It usually rains every day here. It smells very delicious in the kitchen. We generally sing songs all together. We go to a gallery every Sunday. Does he write an email? The sun rises in the east. She goes to work by car. It doesn't rain here in the summer. We cook every day. We go to the gym club tomorrow. You have a big house. Do we know each other? They sleep in the afternoon. When do they usually talk to each other? The children are at home. The earth goes round the sun. George brushes his teeth twice a day. He gets up early every day. They speak English in the USA. I like reading detective stories. I like geography and science. She doesn't study German on Monday. Does she live in Paris? He doesn't teach math. Cats hate water. Every child likes ice cream. Every child likes an ice cream. My mother never lies. The earth is spherical. She doesn't use a computer. It snows a lot in winter. We live in Texas. You go on holiday every summer. Do you like spaghetti? My daughter does the laundry. My brother takes out the trash. The course starts next Sunday. She swims every morning. I don't wash the dishes. We see them every week. I don't like tea. When does the train usually leave? She always forgets her purse. You don't have children. My sister and I don't see each other anymore. They don't go to school tomorrow. She wants to be a dentist. Cows eat grass. My cat runs very fast. She has a beehive full of bees. My son lives in London. They don't have any money. She plays football. He catches a train every morning. My sister works at the theater. Michael doesn't work. How often do you see George? My boyfriend loves this song. My father doesn't speak good English. He goes to football every day. California is not in the United Kingdom. The Queen of England lives in Buckingham Palace. Julie talks very fast. My brother's dog barks a lot. Does he play tennis? The train leaves every morning at 8 a.m. At 8 a.m. Water freezes at 0 degrees centigrade. I love my new pets. We drink coffee every morning. My dad never works on the weekends. She doesn't teach chemistry. I do love my new pets. Mary brushes her teeth twice a day. He drives to work. Mary enjoys cooking. She likes bananas. You don't listen to me. I run 4 miles every morning. They speak English at work. The train does not leave at 12 a.m. I have no money at the moment. Do they talk a lot? Tomorrow early in the morning, first I go to a morning walk. Does she drink coffee? You run to the party. You have some school work to do. Do you eat ice cream? The train leaves in 10 minutes. Do pigs like milk? California is in America. Penguins live in Antarctica. Nurses work in clinics and hospitals. Alex works for 7 hours every day. I do not like meat. They do go to a gallery every Saturday. सीता एक मधुर गीत गाती है. सीता sings a very sweet song. प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी स्टेज पर भाषण देते हैं. प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी delivers a speech on the stage. वे मरीजों का इलाज करते हैं. They tender treatment to पेशेंट्स. सिपाही चोर को पकड़ता है. द कांस्टेबल कैचेस द थीफ. आसमान में सितारे चमकते हैं. स्टार शाइन इन द स्काई. कुछ लड़के नदी में स्नान करते हैं. एक लड़की द सम बॉयज बेद इन द रिवर. एक लड़की टोकरियाँ बेचती है. द गर्ल सेल्स द बास्केट्स. मैं रोजाना भी छत पर पतंग उड़ाता हूँ. आई फ्लाई काइट्स ऑन माई रूफ डेली. वे खेत जोतते हैं. दे प्लो द फील्ड्स. लड़कियाँ अपना गृह कार्य अच्छे प्रकार करती हैं. द गर्ल्स डू देयर होमवर्क वेल. हम रोजाना रात को फिल्म देखते हैं. वी वॉच मूवीज डेली एट नाइट. कुत्ते अजनबियों पर भौंकते हैं. डॉग्स बार्क एट स्ट्रेंजर्स. मोहन का भाई झूठ बोलता है. मोहन्स ब्रदर टेल्स अ लाई. तुम अपने पिता की आज्ञा मानते हो. यू ओबे योर फादर. मुझे कभी कभार स्कूल के लिए देर हो जाती है. आई सेल्डम गेट लेट फॉर स्कूल. अब वह अपने बच्चों को मारती है. शी बीट्स हर चिल्ड्रन. हम शनिवार को सिनेमा हॉल में फिल्म देखने जाते हैं. वी गो टू वॉच अ मूवी टू सिनेमा हॉल ऑन सैटरडे. वे शाम को मैदान में हॉकी खेलते हैं. दे प्ले हॉकी इन द ग्राउंड इन द इवनिंग. वह बेईमानों से घृणा करता है. ही हेट्स डिसऑनेस्ट पीपल. राम सदा सत्य बोलता है. राम ऑलवेज स्पीक्स द ट्रुथ. मेरी माँ मुझसे बहुत प्यार करती है. माई मदर लव्स मी वेरी मच. मैं सुबह ताश खेलता हूँ. आई प्ले कार्ड्स इन द मॉर्निंग. हम नदी में नहाते हैं. वी बेद इन द रिवर. मैं अपना पाठ याद करता हूँ. आई लर्न माई लेसन. मोहन घर जाता है. मोहन गोज होम. वे स्कूल जाते हैं. दे गो टू स्कूल. मैं एक पुस्तक पढ़ता हूँ. आई रीड अ बुक. वह सड़क पर दौड़ता है. ही रन्स ऑन द रोड. तुम एक पत्र लिखते हो. यू राइट अ लेटर. हम हॉकी खेलते हैं. वी प्ले हॉकी. मेरे दोस्त मुझे पत्र नहीं लिखते. माई फ्रेंड्स डू नॉट राइट लेटर्स टू मी. राधा अपना पाठ याद नहीं करती. राधा डजंट लर्न हर लेसन. मेरा भाई क्रेडिट कार्ड नहीं रखता है. माई ब्रदर डज नॉट कीप द क्रेडिट कार्ड. चपरासी घंटी नहीं बजाता है. द पियोन डजंट रिंग द बेल. वह हमारे घर कभी नहीं आता. ही नेवर कम्स टू अवर होम. ये लड़के सड़क पर नहीं खेलते हैं. दीज बॉयज़ डोंट प्ले ऑन द रोड भी वह प्रतिदिन स्नान नहीं करता, ही डजंट बेथ एवरी डे। यह लड़का पतंग कभी नहीं उड़ाता है। दिस बॉय नेवर फ्लाइज अ काइट। प्रधानमंत्री जी स्टेज पर भाषण नहीं देते। द प्राइम मिनिस्टर डजंट डिलीवर स्पीच ऑन द स्टेज। तुम स्कूल नहीं जाते हो, यू डोंट गो टू स्कूल। तुम एक साइकिल नहीं खरीदते हो, यू डोंट बाय अ बाइसिकल। वे हॉकी नहीं खेलते हैं, दे डू नॉट प्ले हॉकी। वह एक पत्र नहीं लिखता, ही डज नॉट राइट अ लेटर। क्या गांव में ठंडी हवा चलती है? डज द कोल्ड विंड ब्लो इन द विलेज। क्या विद्यार्थी अब कक्षा में शोर नहीं मचाते हैं? डू द स्टूडेंट्स नॉट मेक अ नॉइज इन द क्लास। तुमको कौन पढ़ाता है? हु टीचर्स यू। क्या तुम रोजाना दिल्ली जाते हो? डू यू गो टू दिल्ली डेली? थैंक यू वेरी मच।